lots of movement today. So they're finishing the trusses, the ones around the stairway, and we're putting gravel into the garage. So it's easier to move back and forth and around. Anyways, they haven't started putting the decking on, but that will occur later on today. Crushed stone will be underneath. This is hurting, Chris. So the soil will go on top of this.
Hi. Almost that part of the roof. All right.
Morning, Chris.
Morning, how are you?
Good. And you get the perch this morning, do you, Joe?
Oh, yeah.
You like being up high? You sense of power?
No. It's a control issue for you. I like to face my fears head on.
Right, okay. I used to do roofing, so I sort of understand.
Right. Good? Good? Yeah.
I'm going to say I still like it. So, what do you think?
So this is what Rachel, you were saying about the
Yeah,
pole. Well,
yeah.
that's okay. That's going to be in this part.
Well, this is temporary, right?
I know, but if
And that's temporary.
yeah, but if there's a pole here, that's okay.
Yeah. Well, this is the end of the,
Yeah, exactly.
and it'll be part of the hallway. You can build our. I mean, it'll be lots of space underneath the stairway, Trish, for storage. So you got to remember that the landing is probably going to be about 32.
Well, we're doing 4 feet. We're doing 4 feet.
Yeah, 4 feet wide. Yeah, but the landing is going to be what, 40 inches. So it'll probably be here or so, where you turn the corner and going up to 12 feet there.
Good. You got a hammer up there? I have a hammer. We might need another sleeve of nails.
Yeah, it'll give us a nice sense of space. But this will be a small hallway here. So the utility room will be in this space.
That's a good amount of space.
In your studio will be much of this room.
Yeah.
Storage. Just don't go too far that way,
I know.
because they're still working overhead.
Good.
In the bathroom here, and laundry and mudroom.
It's up to you. Totally up to you. I'm okay here, but I can help you. Whatever you
Yeah, nice big mud room.
My office. The office is going to be nice. Pardon?
Too bad that we didn't have the door here. To go
Yeah,
up
but
to the
that
backyard kind of thing.
that would have caused a problem in terms of
with
cold
the
storage.
I know. Well,
So
I guess it could have been on that side.
It's a trade-off, right? Well, then it becomes more difficult to actually regulate the temperature in the cold room.
Why it had more outside walls.
More outside walls, which means that it'll probably freeze. Well, maybe not. I don't know. There's no heat source in here, though, right? In the garage. So this hasn't changed. Oh, it's done a little bit of fill. So is that no? The tank is not in there yet. The tank is going to go into that low section there. Yeah. So, what do you think of the height of the decking?
Nice.
Then the outside stairway will be coming down from there to this corner. I think it'll actually be very nice because it's very protected back here, huh?
Yeah.
Nobody can see it.
No, No, exactly. You have all that. We've got this. Well, we'll have stairs going down from here, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this could be a
All the rock in there. Eee.
Should we get back?
Yeah. Okay, we'll come back and take a look at progress at times during the day. So, talk to you soon. Okay, we've got another significant development. The septic tank has arrived. So I think it's going to be installed. So let's take a look. So this is what was done this morning. So you can see the crushed stone. It's in place here, and it's over top of the skirting that was being put down this morning by Ron. You can see the sand has been placed here.
Well, this one's only 12'1".
Okay, that one's no good. I'll have to take a
So
long
then
one.
this piece here you want cut.
Just double check if he wants it cut. I could
Oh,
say-
maybe because it can die in the floor, we can leave
Yeah,
it.
it'll run past.
I like that.
Has it been wet here today? No, not too bad?
Beautiful.
Most of this is sweat.
Yeah. What
Right.
is this?
Okay. Yeah, I went back and forth to Port Perry and Oshawa, and off and on rain all the way through.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's
Almost sleety, but not quite.
Yeah, kind of just a drizzle.
Yeah.
Just maybe an hour of
Enough
that.
to ruin our work day, but
it's supposed to get warmer as you're going along. So obviously you're warming up the
Right.
space as you're going. So
I can feel
keep it up.
Yeah. I've already saved you on your next heating bill.
Yeah. Right. Just put it all into the floor. Okay. So this is fresh sand. Wasn't here before. And so here is the space where the tank's gonna go. Nice spot. Oh, the sand actually obviously came from the piles that Ron put in here earlier, or Daryl, one of the two. There's the pipe that's coming out, so it's going to have the sewage coming out to the tank itself. Good, like this. Showing you how it's connected. So the main stack, I think, is there. Nope, it's over there, the orange one. So obviously it's coming down this direction, turn the corner, and then goes out from here. So let's see the tank being installed. It doesn't look like the sheeting's actually been opened yet. Bands are still on the actual bundles themselves, so they're just getting ready to finish that. And then I guess tomorrow is the day to just build up the wall to the end of the first floor. Alright. I don't know which one of those tanks is ours, but I assume it's probably the one at the back. place.
No,
Any input?
One I was telling you about when Andy called him, and he wasn't taking a check.
It's good.
He was taking half.
So that'll be the level of the ground.
Lost him.
Take the top of
But,
the actual
like I said to
access
Daryl, I
points.
said, like, guys, build
Access holes. Great stuff. Another major milestone has been reached.
And I'll run some nails on the other. So this is getting nailed in place then. So what? Okay.
I think you can just nail down through that 2x4 on that.
Yeah, but I'm just trying. What's my position? What's my frequency, Kenneth?
Right. So it's 8 and 7/8 off this wall to the
Other side.
yeah.
Okay.
That's for the thermal wall then, right?
This is
Yeah.
Not this, but yeah.
Yeah.
The gap. 8, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah, I got it.
Let's take a look at the finished joists. So when we were in here last, all of these joists weren't in place. So now the entire joist for the actual stairway is in place, and all of the remaining first 4 joists are now in place as well. Oh, that's interesting. So they glued that together. They're holding it together because it's got a bit of a wow. I don't know if you saw that before, but there was a gap between the two. Sitting on top of it, or will be sitting on top of the concrete in there. So I guess they'll probably pour concrete into the space there. Nice. Look how this is all coming together.